night one. We're at Witcher Proof. We haven't picked up all the little cherubs yet. This is our setup. John's is surveying the scenery. Ben and Michael are the head chefs tonight, but we got everything set up. Bruce is off having a shower. Looking forward to a good trip up to Arkaroola. Our last victim's joined us, Mr. Ray. He wants me to shave his beard off, isn't that right, Ray? He's not sold on that at all. So here we are, we're in Mildura. We got our second night's camp set up. We've actually got here pretty early, which is good. So we got set up nice and early. We're going to head out to Orange World, buy some bits and bobs and do our last bit of shopping at Woolworths before we cross the border. Look, it's never a trip to Mildura unless you hit Orange World. You know, the place to come. Great orange juice and great produce in there. You've just got to come and get it. Here's the mighty Triton, so that's the one that I'm driving. And then we have the mighty Navara, the Nav. And Ben's got the vibes pumping, so he's into it. We're in downtown Morgan at the moment, on making our way up towards the Flinders Ranges. Here's the old fella, there's Ray. It's been a little boys' room, and we're going to pack up and get back on the road shortly, which will be good. So we're going to be in the Flinders Ranges tonight, which will be magic. This is lunch at Arkaroola. How is it, Bruce? He's sitting there relaxing. John's hiding behind the tree. And we've just made our lunch on our table here. This is inside the canopy, so we got our fridge, our pantry next along, and then our kitchen cabinet. Here's Ray. There you go, brother from another mother. Big Sean. And Michael. Michael. Can the coach tow the trailer? What do you reckon? Yes, he loves trailers. Actually, Michael hates trailers, don't you? No, you start slow. We had our big day of driving today. Well, we did about 630 Ks. All the little cherubs, they're sitting down having their din-dins. We're set up at the campsite. So we're in Wilpena Pound. Now, unfortunately, we can't have a fire because it's no longer fire season. So we can't do it. It's very, very nice. Very pleasant here tonight, isn't it? You know, they're all pretty relaxed. You can see Sean's super relaxed. Oh, Ray, how are you? How are the hamburgers? Crazy cat. This is Ray looking cool. He's just had his shower. He's got his singlet, pajama pants and boots on. He truly is a fashion icon of this era. So, Bruce, how you going? You good?
Oh, yeah, very good, Peter.
You just relaxing?
Yeah, that's relaxing.
Having a relaxing holiday, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Did a bit of a drive today, but no, it's a beautiful night tonight, isn't it?
Beautiful night.
Absolutely magical.
Yep.
Everyone's down having their showers. It's only Bruce,
Yep.
Ray the fashionista, Ben and myself here. Oh, and he's got his kombucha. The entry into Wilpena Pound's Information Centre. So we're actually up, what was it, 8:45 in the morning? So 8:45, we're going to wander in here. A little shop where you can actually get drinking water because you can't drink at the campground here. The water's not, it's good for everything else, but not drinking. So we're going to see if we can do a bit of a walk around Wilpena. So we're inside the information centre or the restaurant at Arkaroola, and all little knickknacks and stuff hanging up everywhere. We're just having a bit of a coffee, then we're going to go out and hit some tracks and do some exploring, which should be good. This is some of the scenery we see as we're driving around the Flinders Ranges. Absolutely magical. This is just a stop on the side of the road, so it's just a photo shoot, that's all it is. These are the two forward drivers we got running, and the magic is there. John's wandering around picking everything up. We're about to go on a walk to see some Aboriginal rock art, we hope, so that's what we've got planned for this morning. So we're on one of the beautiful bush tracks. John's leading the way, and we're going to the Aboriginal rock art, so we're looking forward to it because yeah, it's just what you do in the Flinders Ranges. You've got to get out there and you've got to have a look. So it's about a 2-hour return walk. So the gang, we've all lathered them up with suntan cream, loaded them up with plenty of water, and we've got snacks as well, so we're good to go. John's got his new hat on, so he's not going to get sunburned either. It's beautiful weather here, not a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely perfect weather, not too hot, and it's not cold at all. It's beautiful. There's the gang behind me, walking tentatively. You see my camera wobbling as I take steps and go over hills and dales and things like that. This is the view overlooking the Flinders Ranges. Magical place, magical, magical place. This is the magical of our Aboriginal rock art. You see, I'll try and get through the cage. Like I said to the guys, this is thousands of years old, just amazing. And it's lasted the test of time. Part of the magic while we came here, this is the track we've just walked up. So this is the easy part of the track. Some of the hard parts are real hard. You have to be a billy goat. This is the Aboriginal rock art hills that we actually just climbed into. So we would have gone probably halfway up that mountain, I reckon. Fair old haul up there. Magical place. Bruce, how good is the sunset over there?
Oh, very good.
Beautiful, absolutely fantastic. And we're in Arkaroola. Ray, how's the sunset? Beautiful, there you go. Wandering down to the ochre wall. We're heading up to some thermal pools today. And this is the ochre wall. So where they used to do, well, they'd get the ochre and then they'd do their indigenous artwork on the rocks and that. And they'd use ochre. So they'd make it into a paste and then draw with it. Oh, we're down in one of the gorges, parked a couple of the utes. And look at that scenery, isn't it awesome? Unbelievable. This is the Paralana Springs. Apparently they've got uranium in it, so we don't go swimming in these. Bit of a safety hint. You come out looking like the Incredible Hulk. So we're sitting here watching John eat his dim dims tonight, and we have decided this is the epitome of pleasure. Look at that face. He's loving it. Just loves it. So this is our Arkaroola setup. And you can see, not that many people here, so it's actually really, really nice because there's not many people around. What a view. The crew for the today. Like I said before, we picked up an extra hitchhiker. Ben and I have the UHF, so we're sort of chatting away, and then we've done some pretty good treks up here. But look at the view. We're on sort of one of the lower mountains, but it's beautiful up here, absolutely fantastic.
Here comes Ned Kelly.
Oh, I've got to get it.
Yeah. Hey Ned, how's it going today? Yeah, you going four-wheel driving? Alright, show us some action shots.
Stand and deliver, Ned.
Uh-oh, I think he's got me in range.
Playing to the Ned Kelly gods.
Oh!
climbed this peak now in the forward drives. Look at that magnificent view. That's where I was showing you, that's the Arkaroola homestead. The track leads off into that valley there, so we're about to tackle that. So we're right on top of this mountain, and this is a Telstra box. And right next to us, Telstra Tower, all solar powered, and I have 1 bar of 4G. So check out this pool, Arkaroola pool. Bloody beautiful. It's crystal clear, and it's actually filled with bore water, so they must filter it really well. And it's a little bit chilly, but so refreshing. It's high 30s, early 40s, high 30s. High 20s, early 30s in temperature. We've been out sweating on the tracks, forward driving. It's good to get into this luxurious pool. And no camping trip would be complete without a fire. What do you reckon, Ray?
Yeah.
Ray, Bruce and Ben just chilling by the fire. Big Sean's ripping up the Zeds already. Michael's having a shower, and John's wandering as normal. Inside it's a sound and light show at the Peterborough Railway Museum, or the tourist information. Big Bad Ray's in front of me. Did you enjoy your holiday?
Yes, I did. Peter.
What did you enjoy about your holiday?
Going on the four-wheel drive.
The bouncy tracks?
Yeah.
Did you bounce everywhere?
Yeah, I did.
Was it fun though?
It was fun.
Oh, good on you. I know you're about to fall asleep.
Yeah.
Did you have a good holiday?
Yes.
What did you like? What else?
Enjoying the trailer.
And doing the trailer? Because you hate trailers, don't you?
Don't you start.
John, you have a good holiday? Hard to get things out of John, but I think he did. He did a lot of wandering, a lot of walking, seemed happy. So that's all we can ask for, really. Did you enjoy yourself?
Boys.
Our walking map. So you know where you're going, how far it is, the degrees, minutes, hours, everything.
Yep.
Did you enjoy your holiday?
Yeah.
Should we go again?
Yeah.
You and your girl, maybe?
Yes.
Dirty bugger. He's knackered. Look at him, he's worn out.